Hello, this video is for Epic campus students finishing their Construction Essentials Certificate. Congratulations! In order to get that certificate processed, there are two forms you need to complete. The first is the Transfer Credit Evaluation Request. Let's walk through it now. Once you have the link pulled up, you'll hit Next, and you're going to hit Next 3 times. That's going to take you to the page asking for your information. At that point, you'll put in that information. Please leave previous name on transcript blank, unless you actually do have a previous legal name. Go ahead and click on Westminster for your campus and hit Next. From here, you'll check Certificate, and you'll need to find the certificate in this list. An easy way to do that is to hit Control F and then search for the word Construction. The one you want is called Construction Essentials. You can also find it by going down the list and looking for the one that has the long bit of text that sticks out. So Construction Essentials. Keep going down the page. You click No to earning another degree and hit Next. On this blank, you need to tell where your credit is coming from, and this is your OSHA credit. So you're simply going to write OSHA from Epic Campus. That's all. Click No for VA benefits, check both boxes, and then click down to the bottom to sign your name. Click Submit to finish this form. The second form to complete is called the graduation application. Once you have this form pulled up, you'll begin by clicking Next. From here, you will enter your own information. And then go ahead and stick in your mailing address. This is where you'll receive mail so that your diploma can be mailed to you. Choose Westminster Campus. Click Fall 2024 for the semester you plan to apply, and then please write your name as you wish it to appear on your diploma. It's important to put your legal name, and if you have more than one last name, please put both. Click Next. This page is asking for your degree information. You will select Certificate, and then just like before, we're going to scroll down until we find Construction Essentials. Again, one of the easy ways you can find that is by looking for the text that sticks out, or you can simply hit Control F and type in construction to have it pop up. Keep scrolling down. Other colleges from which credit is to be applied to degree or certificate. For here, you're going to write OSHA from Epic Campus. You'll check these boxes, sign your name at the bottom, and click Submit. That's all.